Alright guys, you see this is a GFCI outlet. Shit. And the outside outlets, outside and bullshit, GFCI, so as soon as water gets on the goddamn freaking outlet, then it shuts off. The thing is that our satellite is powered by the circuit, this circuit which powers an outlet in here and outlets up front. But the Christmas lights, you know, water's bound to get in there somewhere, trips these bitches like a son of a gun. It really sucks, is you always have to walk down here and turn it, flip it back on. God damn it. Don't these things know that nothing's gonna blow up? Shit, there it did. There, right there again. Little asshole. Alright, well, let's go see how hard it's raining outside. I gotta put all this crap back in here. Just finished making a video request video, and I need to turn this back on, so don't turn on, turn off, piece of shit. I don't want it turning on because I don't want it to be oh god. Oh, and if you guys want to hear it, perfect. And then let me just turn this 69. Little faggot ass mother hellers. Let's see if it trips. It's not even raining. See? It just tripped again, and then the searching for satellite signal comes on, and then you gotta run down the stairs and fix the goddamn freaking problem. Assholes. Which means no Christmas joy today, because now I gotta unplug this shit so it'll stop tripping the goddamn outlet. But at least I know it works. And you better not trip before I get out there and unplug you, little faggot asses. I'll turn this light on. Oh, next door neighbor's got her lights on too. Bullshit outlets. God damn it. Hold on, let me just go talk to my mom real quick. I'm going to plug the satellite onto a different outlet. This is such BS. Damn it. Goddamn electrical. Always have to be a goody-goody two-shoes piece of shit. Oh, don't you love my wires? They don't look so goddamn good. I need an extension cord, but all of them are being used for everything. Which means I have to take an extension cord and go upstairs and throw it out the goddamn window. Shut that door so my cat doesn't run out. You guys are enjoying this, aren't you? And then my shows are supposed to be recording soon. Hope this 10-foot cord is long enough. And then you open this. Then somehow throw this out your goddamn window and get it to not tangle. If that's even physically possible. Nope, not physically possible. See, times like this I hate GFCIs. It did it when I had Halloween lights out too. It means I have to go over. Hold on, I have to sit you guys down because I need to untangle this cord. And then just run it through here and plug it in this outlet here. And then try to slam the door on it. Works good. Turn off that light. Okay. And then go back and plug the satellite cord in to the goddamn outlet, and since that's not GFCI, it won't goddamn blow up. And this is it. Oh shit. Please don't shock me. Oh my god. Okay, can you guys see? Pretty well. Okay. Here we go. Kaboom! And then just make sure that's safe. Get a whole bunch of electrical tape and tape the shit out of it. We'll use this half-used roll right here and tape the living shit out of it. Sounds like this. I swear they suck. And it's not even raining hard. Aaron, if you're watching this, don't disapprove of what I'm doing. Because I know I shouldn't really do this. But that's as watertight as it's gonna get. Just being plugged in. And now I have to go out there to all the Christmas lights and put electrical tape around those assholes. Shouldn't this be fun? So guys, shit, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna do that, and I'm sorry, I keep on forgetting your username, so that's why I wrote it down on my phone. YCTOME, I'm sorry about not uploading your video right away, but I gotta take care of this, and then I'll get to your video.